Welcome to the biggest potato processing facility. Let's dive into how potatoes go from raw to ready to eat.
Green on this one, off it goes.
Nice batch today, those sizes are pretty even.
Yeah, smooth skins too, keep them moving.
One of our main line cylinders come in on the right, get clean, tested, and head down to assembly. Welding just past the barrier there, and up ahead is where the crane feeds the framing station. Watch your step.
Copy, reading clean on my side.
line's good. Seal looks tight.
Copy that. Scan clean.
No burst when I press it. Send it on.
Next one coming up. Barcode straight.
Edge crimp is even. We're good.
Seal scan running.
Good. Bag 12 checked out clean.
Next batch is coming through.
Looks tight. Keep it rolling.
That's tight. No air leaks.
Barcode reads clean, label centered, good.
Date stands clear. This one's approved.
Send it down.
Next bag coming up. Edge it down like that. Perfect.
Yep.
Clean rip every time. Code on top.
Already wrote it.
Nice. I'll stack this with the rest.
Keep them coming. We're almost through this pallet.
Tag reads clean. Opening.
Got it. Let me log the serial.
Nothing hidden here. Zipping up.
Green light confirmed.
Next bag.
Lifting.
Side pockets clear. Ready to mark.
Marked and logged.
And that's how potatoes are made, from raw materials to the finished products you enjoy.
Keep it coming. Put them on. Good. Straight up. Down slow. Touch. All right, we're on the deck. Back it up. Now it's clear. Looks good. Strap and release. Got it.